Maca. It's choreographed by Shane McKeever and Adam Astmar. It is a 32 count, 2-wall Improver Novelty samba with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Maca Maca. Section 1, I'm going to show you the arm motions first. You are going to do the Macarena. So you're going to put your right hand forward, palm facing down, left hand forward, palm facing down. Then you're going to flip your right palm up, flip your left palm up. You're now going to take your right hand, put it to your left shoulder, left hand to your right shoulder. Put your right hand to your right ear, left hand to your left ear. And those are your hand motions for the first 8 counts. Let's talk about the feet. We're going to start by doing a V step. So we're going to step out into the diagonal with your right, out into the diagonal with your left, back center with your right, and then step your left next to your right. When you do this, you're going to put your hands forward and flip them. So when we step out with the right, you're going to put your right hand forward, palm down. When you step out with the left, put your left hand forward, palm down. Step back with your right, flip your right hand over. Step your left foot next to your right, flip your left hand over. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, slightly rolling your hips counterclockwise, and then put your weight on your left foot. We're now going to do that again. Step with your right, roll your hips counterclockwise, and put your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Now, when you're doing those pivots, that's when you're going to put your hands to your opposite shoulders and then to your ears. So let's try that. Weights on your left, you're doing your pivots. As you step, that right hand is going to come to your left shoulder. So it's step, pivot, step, pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to do both the feet and the hands. Starting with your V step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to finish the Macarena hand motions. So you're going to put your right hand to your left hip, your left hand to your right hip, then you're going to put your right hand to your right hip, and then your left hand to your left hip. Now, when we do this, we're going to rock forward and back, and you're going to roll your hips. So we're going to step our right foot forward, and as you do that, you're going to put your right hand to your left hip. We're going to roll that hip forward, and as we come back, you're going to put your weight onto your left and put your left hand onto your right hip. We're now going to roll forward again. You're going to put your right hand to your right hip, and then as we roll back, you're going to put your left hand to your left hip. And you're going to keep your hands here. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, shoulder width apart, and we're going to do a clockwise hip roll from right to left. So you're going to push that hip to the right, bring it all the way around, put your weight onto your left foot. You're now going to hop both feet together and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished those pivots, so you're going to do your crossing hands and then onto your hips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do botafongo. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, pushing that left hip up and recover onto your right. These are going to slightly angle you off of the back wall. We're now going to do another botafongo, crossing your left over your right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, pushing that right hip up, angling yourself to the 430 diagonal. We're now going to do a syncopated rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 730, and then step back with your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished that hip roll and our hop together, so weight is on your left. You're doing your botafongo, so it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to do a slight hitch with our left knee. You're now going to step back with your left and you're gonna make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot forward into the 10-30 diagonal. We're now going to do a left mambo together. As you step together, you're gonna bring both hands over your head with your right hand on top of your left. So we're gonna rock forward with that left foot, rock, recover, push both back together. So now your hands are above your head and your feet are together, but you want your weight on your left foot. We're now going to do a 5/8 walk around over our right shoulder. As we do this, you're going to slowly bring your hands out toward the side. So our hands are above our head, you're walking over that right shoulder, going right, left, and you want to end facing 6 o'clock so that you can start the dance over again. Now, if you don't want to put your hands up over your head and do this, you can do that mambo together, and you can do shimmies as you walk around if you would like to replace that big arm motion. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped back with our right facing that 7:30 diagonal. You're going to do that slight hitch with your left. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Remember, the arm motions for the first 2 sections are the Macarena. So hand, hand, flip, flip, shoulder, shoulder, ear, ear, hip, 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 and then you're doing your hip roll. And then after that, you will not do hand motions until the end of the dance. So weight is on your left. You're starting with your V step with your hand motion. So it's out, out, in, quarter pivot, Now hip, roll, step out, big roll, hop together, clap. Botafongo, diagonal, rocking chair, and your cross quarter back, hitch, back, quarter, mambo together. Now your 5/8 walk, 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 walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your V step with your Macarena hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance ends facing the diagonal on your mambo together. So you're going to dance all the way up to that part. The music is going to be fading out while you finish this rocking chair and your cross quarter back hitch behind diagonal. The music is going to be fading away. You're going to end with your mambo together, facing that corner, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Remember, the whole time you are doing those Macarena hands. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your V step. So it's out, out, in, quarter pivot, step forward, roll forward, back step side, hip roll, hop together, clap. Now your Botafongo, diagonal rocking chair, and your cross quarter back hitch, back quarter, mambo together, your 5/8 walk around. Start over, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step out, out, in, quarter pivot, step forward, roll forward, back step side, hip roll, hop together, clap. Now your Botafongo, diagonal rocking chair, cross quarter back, hitch back, quarter, mambo together, and your 5/8 walk around. Now your V step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Maca Maca. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Macarena.